Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious croissants at home using your air fryer. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, then move on to preparing the dough with careful steps. Next, I'll guide you through the crucial process of laminating and shaping your croissants. Finally, we'll proof them perfectly and air fry them to a beautiful golden brown, ready for you to enjoy a wonderful homemade treat. To begin your croissant journey, you'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of very cold butter, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of warm milk, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. First, mix your dry ingredients, then gently incorporate the wet ones. Form a smooth dough, then wrap and chill it for a minimum of 2 hours. This step is crucial for flakiness. Now for the magic of lamination. Roll your chilled dough into a 16 by 8 inch rectangle. Place 1/2 cup of cold butter in the center, then fold the dough over it like an envelope. This creates those wonderful layers. Repeat this rolling and folding process, known as a turn, 3 more times, chilling the dough between each turn. Finally, cut your dough into triangles and roll them tightly from the wide end to form classic crescent shapes. The final steps bring your croissants to life. Place your shaped croissants in a warm, humid spot to proof for 1 to 2 hours. They should double in size and feel light. While they proof, preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Once proofed, brush them with an egg wash and air fry in small batches for 8 to 12 minutes. You'll have perfectly golden, flaky croissants ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.